Hello. So in today's video training, we'll be looking at 5 reasons you should launch your course on affiliate platform. Once again, my name is Joe Okoro. I'm a digital marketing coach. So you're going to learn the reasons why every course creator should list his course on affiliate platforms. You see, the number one problem of every online course creator is how to sell his course and make money in the process. There are several available options for selling courses for online course creators. However, to make a sale for your course, a course creator needs to do a whole lot of marketing. He could advertise to his list of contacts. He could run ads on different platforms. He could build a website and optimize it for organic traffic. He could use social media to build awareness. In fact, he could do a whole lot of things. The reality is that all the methods of selling mentioned above, they all work. However, they take a lot of time to get results, and they are difficult to pull off most times, especially if the course creator is not good in these areas, because effort, resources, and tons of time is required to implement each of those steps successfully. However, there is another smarter way that course creators can use to make more sales of their online courses in lesser time, with lesser time commitment. That way is publishing their online courses on affiliate platforms. So if it has not occurred to you as an online course creator to publish your course on affiliate platform, this video is going to give you 5 reasons why you should launch your course on affiliate platforms. Now let's start taking the reason one after the other. I want you to know that affiliate platforms allows affiliates that are on this platform to promote your course for a commission. Every affiliate platform has a teaming group of affiliates that makes a living selling other people's products. These affiliates are like your salesman and women for your online course, and they promote your online course with their own resources, with their own effort and time. They only get paid when they make a sale, and as they make a sale, you as the course creator, you also make a sale as well. So here are the 5 reasons why you should publish your course on affiliate platforms. The first one is for product awareness. Imagine what happens when 500 affiliates are aggressively and actively promoting your online course. Of course, be rest assured that you are going to get a lot of sales. When hundreds of affiliates promote your course at the same time, it will help your product to gain recognition and reach a wider audience. And because affiliates get paid for your product, they communicate a positive view of your product to their audience and educate their audience in a positive way about your online course. The second reason why you should launch your course on affiliate platform is because of social proof. You see, a satisfied customer is the best business strategy for you as an online course creator. So, social proof is another reason why you should list your course on affiliate platform. One of the things that boosts conversion for any product is social proofs. And social proofs come from satisfied customers of your online course. When affiliate promotes your online course, most of them are direct customers or students of your course themselves. And of course, as they promote your product, sales is made. As sales is made, people use your product. If your product is good, if you have a forum for feedback in form of testimonials, reviews, and case studies, then you should be able to produce a lot of that and then use it as social proof for your course. This will help the sales of your course more. You see that as affiliates are promoting your course and they are communicating the goodwill messages about your course, it helps your course to sell better, because as an affiliate who have first purchased your product and used it, he's in a better position to tell his audience or his target audience how good or how well your product is. And that is why you will continue to get good testimonials even from your affiliates, which is also a form of social proof when they buy your product. As they get testimonials for you, their customers also get testimonials for you. And as you gather plenty testimonial, this becomes a powerful social proof for the sale of your course. And at the end of the day, your course sales increases rapidly. The next reason why you should list your course on an affiliate platform is because it will help your course to enjoy greater reach to your target audience. When affiliate makes sales for you, you have just succeeded in reaching your targeted audience, because for a sale to happen, that person needs your product. That person is your target audience. You see, your target audience might not be easy to reach if you use other advertising platform or other medium of awareness to promote your course. Interestingly, you can promote other related or complementary products to these new buyers of your course as a pre-sale or cross-sell, or what we call a back-end sale. Once you have gotten a customer into your funnel, you have the opportunity to sell to that same customer many months down the line after the first sale has been made. And of course, what the effect this has is it is going to increase your overall profit at the end of the year. So this is a good reason why you should list your course on affiliate platform, because it will help you to enjoy greater reach of your course to a wider audience because of the power and influence hundreds of affiliate has. Now, the fourth reason you should list your course on affiliate platform, especially if you are starting out and you don't have much resources or money to put into advertising. The fourth reason is that using affiliate platforms will save you money. Okay? When you publish your course on affiliate platforms, you'll be able to save money because you may not need to invest into advertising for the awareness of your online course. In other words, when compared to the cost of advertising, using affiliate marketing or listing your course on affiliate marketing platform is far more cost effective for you. Okay, now the fifth and the final reason why you should list your course on affiliate platform is because you are going to enjoy profit from back-end sales, and those profit comes in form of upsells and cross-sells, just as I have highlighted earlier. You see, it's easier to convince a customer to purchase from you again because the customer already has experience with you. If your product is good, the customer will always be open to buy from you another time. And that is why it's easier for you to convince a customer to purchase a product from you than to pursue or convince a new prospect to purchase your product or your online course. Once you have generated sales through affiliates, these customers or clients or students, as the case may be, will become your fans, especially if you treat them very well. They will surely become your fans. And that is why you need to sell to them products that are complementary, that are related, and that will satisfy them along the line. You want to make your customers happy, your students happy. If you do this, you have the opportunity to increase the customer lifetime value, or CLV, which is called customer lifetime value. That means the value of that customer will increase over time as you sell more product to that same customer that was generated by an affiliate many months down the line. And this is what we call cross-selling. That is selling different but related products to the same customer in order to help the customer to solve his problem. This alone is the most profitable reason why you should consider using affiliate platforms to sell your course. This reason is why you should consider listing your course on affiliate platforms, because long after the sale is made, you still have the contact of the customer, and the fact that you have the contact of the customer is enough reason for you to promote more products that are related to the initial one that the customer purchased in order to help the customer solve his or her problem. So there you have it. These are the 5 reasons why you need to list your course on affiliate platform. So if you have not listed your course, you have one, or you're anticipating to create one, these reasons should motivate you to list your course on affiliate networks. So if you're a coach, you're a leader, a consultant, or a teacher, or anyone who have any type of skills or experience, and you want to learn how you could monetize your skill or your experience via online courses, I have something good for you. And what is it? It is a free 6 days video training that shows you what you need to know about online course creation from start to beginning. That is from scratch to launch of your online course. At the right hand side is the landing page where you can enroll for the free course and get started immediately. To access this landing page you are seeing at your right hand side, there's a link below this video. Check that link, click on it, and enroll into this 6 days video training so that you will master the concepts that you need to start from scratch and create an online course that you could possibly list on affiliate platforms and will help to make you a lot of money in the process. If you enjoyed this video, why not leave us a comment, you like, and share this video. So till next time, I say goodbye.